Assalamu alaikum everybody, my YouTube family. Hope you all are well. Welcome back to another iftar recipe. This is, I think, episode 5. Yes, so yeah, this recipe is going to be very yummy, guys. Yes, so today we are going to make a special rice, like something like a fried rice. So yeah, so I have all my ingredients here anyway. Yeah, first of all, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and then turn that notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you are going to be the first person to be notified. Yes, and then please send this link to your family and friends so that the community can grow, you know, bigger and bigger, mashallah. So yeah, so here we have chicken breast, which is nicely washed and then cut into cubes. Yeah, and also we have here our fresh garlic, which is cut as well. We have here red onions as well, cut, spring onions. This is some coriander. We have here carrots, and we have here our lamb chops as well. The lamb chops is going to be grilled in the oven or in my grill pan. We are going to season it with my green seasoning. I don't know if I'm going to use the seasoning salt or the seasoning or the green seasoning. I'm not sure, but I know this one. I'm going to use this one. That's our seasoning salt. And also we have our rice. The rice is going to be cooked with coconut milk. Salad, Betty is going to make the salad. The salad is cucumber, tomato. We're going to have some corn, and we're going to put some coriander as well on it. So guys, let us not waste time. Straight away, let's go and cook. And yeah, quickly, let me just say my salam in my local language as well. Assalamu alaikum. Suma guy, di len nuyu, di len ziar. Suma ñi nga xamne xejna am na fi couple of my people my Senegalese audience as well. Di len wax ne tay mom recipe bu saf lañ am fi ni tane gis ngeen ingredients yaa ngi ni am nañ chicken breast, ñi nga am fi ni am red onions, ñi nga am fi ni laaj, ñu am spring onions, ñu am coriander dañ ko chop, ñu am carrots buñ ko wét ba pare. Li lamb chops la mom lañ am ni ak suñu green seasoning bi. Ñu am tam suñu salad as well. Ñu defar malo cook ko with coconut milk, and then after we cook our special fried rice. Let's go. Okay. So first of all, guys, we have to come and season our lamb. Yeah, first of all, I have to put lemon juice. I have this one now. It makes it super yummy. This is enough. You can see that the green seasoning doesn't have any mustard, nothing, and everything. It's just, this seasoning is super yummy, guys. So, and it's very nice with grill as well. So yeah, so we are going to season it with our green seasoning. Season everything, and we're going to put some oil as well.
I'm hungry. Smell it.
Just to make it extra moist. Yep. And then that's it. So guys, the lamb chop is nicely seasoned. You guys can see this is my best seasoning when it comes to lamb chop. Is my green seasoning. Yes, so it's beautifully seasoned. So when you eat this, you're gonna enjoy the seasoning, and also you will enjoy the taste of the lamb as well. Yes, not the seasoning is not going to overpower everything. This is why I love the green seasoning. Yes, so yeah. Okay guys, so now we are going to grill this on here. So I am going to grill it here, and then when I'm done grilling it, I'm going to put it in a big tray and then put it inside the oven, and then put some you know, the charcoal taste. I want to have the charcoal taste. So I have my rice here cooking nice in here in the rice cooker with the coconut milk. I forgot to show you guys. I've cooked the rice together with the coconut milk. Yes, so now let's start. Just put a little bit of oil there. And then that's Betty's salad. Betty is making the salad. She's very good with salad making anyway. And how she does her salad dressing is beautiful. Yes. Head ups to me. I taught you how to do that. And also you have to do parsley. You have to slice the parsley like this and then put it here as well. Not the parsley, the coriander. Hello guys, so the first batch is out, so I'm going to do all of them like this, and then after I'm going to put them back in the oven. Yes, again slow cook again there, so it can cook really well. And also at the end I am going to put, as I said, the charcoal taste, so that it can be like charcoal pudding. Yes, so let me finish up with the remaining and I'll come back to you. So guys, now I am going to fry a little bit of egg, scrambled egg, for the fried rice. Yeah, I'm just gonna add some egg a bit, so I'm gonna make it scrambled. Yes, so I put a bit of butter. This is all my cooked now. I'm going to put the rice. So the rice is all ready. Yeah, the rice is all. This is how I want it to cook. I don't want it to be so wet. So with this is how you are going to enjoy the fried rice. The smell is beautiful because it's cooked with coconut milk. Yes. So now I'm putting the rice and then mix it really well. So now mixing the rice really nice. If you have prawns as well, you can just put it there, but I just want to have it. Yeah, you can cook it with prawns or chicken, or also you can add prawns as well. Yeah. The smell is really nice. The coconut milk, smell of the coconut milk. Oh. So we are on the final stage. So now I'm going to put my carrots. It's very crunchy. So the carrots have to be at the last stage. Now I have turned the oven, the stove off. So I want it to be crunchy. So I'm not cooking the carrots. So, yeah. And you can add any vegetables of your choice. I don't want to put peas. I'm just gonna put sweet corn. Because if I put peas and other stuff, these kids, they will have to pick out everything when eating. So at least they love carrot. I'm just gonna put the vegetables that they love, so at least they can enjoy it. Yep. So I'm going to put my egg as well. And skip the egg part if you don't want to put it. It's still going to be yummy. But Betty asked me to put some egg. Yeah, so that's it. Coriander or parsley. Below I'm ready. And then that's it now. Finish. So we have our fried rice. That's it. So guys, I have done with the grilling in the pan. So now I put everything in here. Yep. To cook it more. That's what you see. So yeah. So guys, so now we are ready. And the lamb is all cooked beautifully, and is cooked na ba ñor xom. So now, this is my kering here. So I'm just gonna wait for. So I'm gonna put it here. Oh my God, Madam Jamba, look at my. So now I am going to put the oil here, and then cover ko, then put it inside the oven. With this, dinga gis na dina duga smoke bit na ko duga. Yeah. So guys, it's still coming to iftar. So tay nak suma goro moma ñew nak set ci dafa ñew ndogu ci fi machallah. So suñu set yaangi ni. suñ pare suñ amee suñ iftar ba pare I'm going to fry some snacks as well, and then we're gonna put them here. So suñ lekkee ba pare then ma move then ñu indi nag añ bi reer bi inshallah rabbi. Yes. Good. So now let's fry our snacks. So this mini meat pie is done by Betty. It's very nice, mini. Then ñaari lifin rek nga def rek, and then why is very nice. For now I prefer this one now. Moom moo ko defar. See how many it is? Defal na ko di sausage ball this way. Xam nga xale lu gaa gën a bugga dañ ci dee sawar. Xam nga dañ bugga snacks. So boobu moom kenn du ko dee wax su snacks yi jeexee rek moo dee dem. Nee naa ko jëndal ingrédients si mu ñëw nag mix nag man baax fry xaw ma lifin def ko nag si def lu bari def ko si freezer bi. Ma ne ko ñaw pasta bi. This is salad dressing, but it was gonna make it, so let me just quickly make it. Don't laugh at my bonnet, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That was today's recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. I'm so tired.